Today I'm going to show you how to change the aspect ratio of your render in Blender. So right now I have a 1080 by 1080 image. And if I hit render image, you can see it's a perfect square, 1080 by 1080. So what I want is to resize it for social media. I want it to be 1080 by 1920. And to do this, it's pretty straightforward and easy. You just have to go over to this output menu. So if you're somewhere else, just make sure you're at that little printer looking thing. And right on the top, you'll have your format and resolution. And here's where you change the numbers accordingly. So I'm going to leave 1080 at the top, but I'm going to change the Y to 1920. And right off the bat, you'll see that worked. I now have the vertical format that I wanted. And if I hit render image, perfection. Okay, so same thing. If you wanted it to be 1920 by 1080, you can do that, or any other size. And it's as easy as clicking a button and rendering your image. So I think I'm going to stick with what I had, but this is basically all you need to know. I hope that this was useful, and I will see you guys in another video.